It's a terrible market. But one airline says they're going to make even more money. Coming up here in the jog. Hi folks, Alex Klingelhoeffer here with Exencial Wealth Advisors. It's 7:57 here in the middle part of the country on Tuesday. It is October 11th, 2022. Here's your morning jog around the economic headlines of the world. I want to start off with American Airlines with a little pre-market announcement today saying third quarter sales better than it expected, despite flights being down about 9% over 2019 levels. Listen, folks, if companies can charge higher prices and those prices affect their margins in a positive way, then companies make more money, and quite frankly, the earnings yield on the S&P 500 goes up, not down. That's a really good thing. If you're worried about overall earnings, I get it. There could be some economic headwinds going forward, specifically in the international case. They are running on literal fumes in Europe. But for U.S. demand, we've yet to see real damage to the economy. Let's look at the data. The data says companies continue to make some dollars. There are some earnings revisions downward, but there are also some upwards. American Airlines, just the first day report results. Next week, Delta kicks off earnings on Thursday. Let's go to Russia, where Nissan is selling off and writing off its operation. $687 million loss. They're going to sell it to a Russian firm. They have an option to buy it back within 6 years. Just another firm divesting from Russia. They haven't actually made cars in St. Petersburg since March. Whatever you're buying those assets for, I mean, a euro is a euro, right? Maybe you strip them down, make them into steel for tanks. I don't know what the Russians are going to do. My guess is when those assets get to the other side of this war, they're probably not going to be worth buying for Nissan. Again, this is a tax item, right? End of the year's coming off. They want to get this item off their balance sheet, right? It's going to be a zero balance anyway. Might as well get rid of it. Anything in Russia is kind of poison now to multinationals. And last but not least, before we reach off to a nice Tuesday, Bank of England, we're monitoring the situation a little bit. They continue to buy back gilts. First, they bought back regular gilts. Now they're buying back inflation-linked gilts. They call them index-linked gilts. So the same thing. Pensions in the UK need liquidity. Bank of England's applying it. Generally, looks like it's going to be okay. Again, they keep increasing the credit lines, but in nominal figures, they're really not that big, right? $5 billion here, $5 billion there. Soon enough, you're talking about real money, but at this point, not a global financial catastrophe like you might see in the headlines. If you want some additional info throughout the week, feel free to find me on the internet. I'm out there. Till then, you, your family, hope you have a really good rest of your Tuesday. I am out.